Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to effectively resize and format images within your Substack posts. Substack's editor is designed to be streamlined, so it handles images a bit differently than other platforms. Let's dive right in. First, open your Substack draft and insert your image. You can do this by dragging and dropping your file directly onto the page, or by clicking the image icon in the top formatting toolbar. Once the image is uploaded, click directly on it. A small formatting menu will appear over the image. Substack currently relies on standardized width options rather than a free drag sizing tool to keep newsletters mobile friendly. You will see 3 distinct layout choices. You can select normal, which restricts the image to your standard text margins. You can select wide, which pushes the image slightly past the text boundaries. Or you can choose full width, which expands the image across the entire screen. Simply click the option that best fits your article's layout. As a quick technical tip, if you need your image to display at exact custom pixel dimensions, you should resize the file using an image editor before uploading it to Substack. This ensures your layout remains precise and helps keep your page load speeds fast. And that is all there is to it. If this guide was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.